Stop panicking at the airport. Those smooth travelers gliding past you know something you don't. Today, we're giving you the insider secrets to transform into a savvy travel master who saves hundreds, packs like a pro, and navigates any destination with total confidence. This comprehensive guide for 2025 is your complete arsenal. We'll cover revolutionary booking techniques to save up to 25% on flights, cutting-edge offline tech tools, innovative packing systems, essential cultural intelligence, and vital safety strategies. By the end, every trip will be smoother, cheaper, and infinitely more enjoyable. Let's start with the money. Flight booking has changed dramatically. For domestic flights, the traditional 21-day rule still applies. Book 1 to 3 months ahead to save up to 25%. For international travel, the sweet spot is 2 to 8 months ahead, especially during peak season. Forget the myth about Tuesday booking. Modern airline algorithms update prices multiple times daily. Instead, focus on the day you fly. Flying on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday is up to 13% cheaper domestically and 20% cheaper internationally than on weekends. Always check early morning or red-eye flights for the lowest fares. Use Google Flights Calendar View and Skyscanner's whole month feature for flexible date searching. Travel reward cards in 2025 are offering 5 to 10% cashback, free bags, and lounge access. Cards like the HSBC Travel One credit card offer 4 reward points per R100 spent. The real hack is using point transfer ratios, for instance, transferring Edge miles at a 1.2 ratio or some points at 2.1 to programs like Marriott Bonvoy. Pro tip: book directly with airlines for better cancellation policies and full point earnings. Save 15–30% by flying into smaller airports. Think Girona over Barcelona or Milan-Bergamo over Milan-Malpensa. This works best in cities with multiple hubs, like New York, Chicago, or Washington, D.C., where ground transportation like Flixbus or regional trains makes the transfer easy. The hotel versus Airbnb debate is complicated by fees. While Airbnb averages $137 versus hotel $167 globally, for stays under 3 nights, hotels often win once cleaning fees and service charges are factored in. Look for soft brands like Marriott's Autograph Collection or Hilton's Curio Collection for independent charm with chain reliability and loyalty benefits. Your tech must work offline. This is your essential 2025 toolkit. Wanderlog is the ultimate free planner, offering real-time collaboration, Gmail itinerary building, and seamless offline Google Maps export. Google Travel automatically organizes bookings via Gmail, and TripIt builds comprehensive itineraries from forwarded emails. For reliable international navigation, use Maps.me or Here We Go, with public transit integration. AllTrails is essential for offline hiking maps. Google Translate's 2025 capabilities are incredible. The camera feature gives instant translation of signs, menus in over 30 languages, even offline. Conversation mode enables real-time dialogue. For communication, WhatsApp over Wi-Fi is standard, and for extended stays, eSIM solutions offer better value than roaming. Save up to 70% on food and reduce waste with Too Good to Go, now expanded across Europe and North America. Find local deals on Groupon and Eventbrite. For flights, use the sophisticated forecasting and price alerts on Hopper and Google Flights to catch the optimal booking window and save hundreds. Packing is a science. Rolling clothes saves about 30% more space and reduces wrinkles. The most effective method combines rolling with compression packing cubes for up to 50% space savings. For formal items, use the bundle wrapping method. Casual items benefit from KonMari folding for visibility. Use compression cubes with dual zippers to maximize space. Choose multi-purpose items. Merino wool layers for diverse activities, wrinkle-resistant fabrics, and neutral palettes. A single scarf can be a blanket, pillow, or accessory. Modern packable down jackets compress to a smartphone size. Utilize hidden space by stuffing socks and underwear inside shoes and threading belts through shirt collars to prevent wrinkles. Use compression bags to reduce bulky sweaters. Switch to solid toiletries like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets to eliminate liquid restrictions and plastic waste. Look for collapsible water bottles and modular charging systems. Finally, wear your heaviest items, boots, heavy jackets, multiple layers, to shift weight from your luggage to yourself, saving money on restrictions. Carry electronics rather than packing them. Respect opens doors. Research greeting protocols. In Japan, use a slight bow. Tipping can be insulting, as service excellence is assumed. In France, the effort of bonjour is appreciated. Remember that many Asian cultures prefer minimal contact, and Middle Eastern, South Asian cultures emphasize using the right hand for greetings and transactions. Tipping customs vary wildly. In much of Europe, service charges are included, making additional tipping optional. Rounding up is generally appreciated. Research appropriate dress codes for religious sites, covered shoulders, knees, and photography restrictions before visiting to prevent offense and demonstrate respect. Protect your assets with advanced security. Use a distraction wallet with a small amount of cash and expired cards to satisfy potential thieves while storing valuables in anti-theft bags with RFID blocking and slash-proof straps. RFID blocking technology for cards and passports is essential due to increased contactless scanning theft. Use multiple debit cards from different banks in case one is blocked or stolen. Use Wise, TransferWise, for better exchange rates and lower fees than traditional banks. Keep small amounts of local currency in multiple locations, wallet, luggage, safe, as an emergency fund. Always test hotel safes. Verify they actually lock and check for master key overrides. Don't store irreplaceable documents or large cash amounts there. For Airbnb, analyze photos and read reviews for security comments and research neighborhood safety. Be cautious with ground floor accommodations in high-risk areas. Cloud storage of important documents is non-negotiable. Store digital copies of passports, visas, insurance policies, and medical info in multiple cloud services. Share detailed itineraries with trusted contacts at home. Research local emergency numbers, hospital locations, and evacuation procedures for natural disasters specific to your destination. Your smartphone has professional-level capabilities. Master your device's multiple lens options, manual controls, Pro Mode, and computational features, HDR, Night Mode. Regularly clean your lens with a microfiber cloth. Use Burst Mode for moving subjects and the Rule of Thirds for compelling composition. Golden hour after sunrise before sunset provides the most flattering light. Position portrait subjects with light in front of them to eliminate harsh shadows. Use HDR mode for landscapes to balance bright skies and dark foregrounds, capturing detail in both highlights and shadows. Experiment with angles. Shoot from low to the ground or from unusual vantage points. Use wide-angle mode for urban shots and landscapes. Don't forget vertical panorama mode to capture tall buildings or cliff faces. Protect your memories. Ensure regular photo backup to cloud services like Google Photos, iCloud, or Dropbox over Wi-Fi only, to prevent devastating loss and huge data bills. Organize photos by location and date during your trip for easier sharing later. Be a responsible traveler. Trains produce significantly lower carbon emissions than flights for shorter distances. For unavoidable flights, choose legitimate carbon offset programs. Pack reusable water bottles, utensils, and shopping bags to dramatically reduce single-use plastic. Solid toiletries help here too. Support local economies by eating at locally owned restaurants, staying in locally owned guest houses, and buying handmade crafts directly from artisans. Choose tour companies that hire local guides and pay fair wages. It provides deeper insights and positive community contribution. Embrace micro-adventures and off-peak travel to reduce carbon footprints and over-tourism. Always follow the leave no trace philosophy. Stay on marked trails, maintain appropriate distances from wildlife, and never feed animals. Choose ethical wildlife operators focused on conservation, not just photo ops. Use comparison platforms like SquareMouth or Insure My Trip to analyze policies. Medical coverage should reflect destination costs. $100,000, $500,000 for the USA. Purchase pre-existing condition waivers within specific timeframes. Understand exclusions like high-risk activities and alcohol-drug incidents. Standard policies often exclude adventure activities, skiing, diving, so you may need specialized coverage or endorsements. Document possessions before travel with photos and receipts, including serial numbers, as evidence for claims. Know the required documentation and reporting timeframes before an emergency occurs. These strategies form a complete system. You can save 15–25% using flexible booking and alternative airports. Your tech enables seamless offline navigation. Your packing is efficient and organized. You connect with locals respectfully. Your safety is prioritized with RFID blocking and smart money management. The goal isn't just to travel, it's to travel confidently, preparedly, and to maximize your enjoyment while minimizing stress and costs. Start with booking and essential apps, then build from there. The investment in learning these hacks pays dividends in unforgettable experiences. Which 2025 hack will you use on your next trip? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Whether you're planning your next adventure or exploring the world from home, remember, every trip is a chance to grow, connect, and be inspired. If you love discovering new destinations, practical travel hacks, and immersive experiences, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your next adventure starts here. Let's explore the world together.